Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your LinkedIn badge strategy from Credly to followers step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Credly account. Navigate to the badges section of your profile. Identify the badges you wish to transfer to LinkedIn. Click on the badge to open its details. Look for the sharing options related to the badge. Select the option to share on LinkedIn. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to share. Authorize the connection to your LinkedIn account if prompted. Write a brief description for your LinkedIn post about the badge. Include relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Adjust your audience settings if necessary. Click the post button to share your badge with your network. Next, log into your LinkedIn account. Visit your profile page to see your latest updates. Ensure the badge appears in your activities. You may want to pin the post for more visibility. Monitor engagement and respond to any comments. Consider creating a highlight or featured section for your badges on your profile. Regularly update your network about any new badges you earn. Engage with your audience to foster connection and recognition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.